Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this goddess braid using Curly&Wild's 24-inch drawstring ponytail in the texture Wild Kink. I'm starting off on blow dried hair and I'm going to be doing a centre part. You don't have to do a centre part though, I just felt like it was the most flattering for this look. I then went off in sections the little tendrils at the front and at the sides that I'll be curling later on. After I did that, I just went and twisted them up just to keep them out of the way while I worked on the rest of the hair. I used some edge control just to help tame my edges. You don't have to use edge control, you can use whatever edge tamer or gel you feel works best for you. Or you can completely skip this step and go for a more natural look. Both will work out pretty fine with this look. You then want to tie your hair into a low ponytail, making sure there isn't too much strain on your edges, and then proceed to do a tight braid and then wrap that braid into a tight bun. You want the bun to be as small as possible when you attach the ponytail. So it has two comb attachments, one at the top and one at the bottom, and then a drawstring feature just to ensure it is very secure. After wrapping the leftover string around the ponytail to disguise it, I proceeded to braid the hair. You want to do quite loose braid so that you're later able to pull the braid and give it that wide look that we're going for. I did leave a piece of the ponytail hair out so that I could wrap this around the hair tie just to ensure that it's hidden and to make it a little bit more seamless between my hair and the drawstring ponytail. So it should be looking a little something like this. I then went in with a little bit more gel as the edge control I was using wasn't really giving me the hold that I wanted. Now onto the tendrils that I've been waiting so patiently for our attention. I used a curling wand on quite a low heat setting just to keep as much texture in my natural hair as possible to match the ponytail rather than giving me like a really sleek curl. I did this on all 4 sections and I didn't leave the hair on the curling wand for very long just to again preserve that texture as much as possible. I then took some small sections from the ponytail and just pulled them out, kind of giving it more of like a messy look, but it kind of added to the whole goddess vibe. And then again, in with the curling wand, I used a slightly higher heat setting for the ponytail. And I didn't show it in the video, but I did use heat protectant on both my natural hair and the ponytail as recommended. I also curled the very end because why not? And then this was the final look. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, and if you're interested in purchasing this ponytail, please check out curly&wild.co.uk.